Okay, good afternoon everybody. So this is our week 7 for today, and I would like to share with you my PowerPoint slide. Okay, so hindi na ako asynchronous na lang kasi not every one of you is attending my class. That's my problem. Sometimes I try to ask you about the Google Meet, but you know,
Ano sa bukas?
for
Lubok.
100%,
Lubok. Lubok ah.
ay wait lang ah. Ito din sa pagkamit.
Ayun sa likod. Lalagyan ko sasang kasi.
Okay. Sometimes for 100% of you guys, 20% can attend my class, the other 80% cannot. That's the biggest problem I encountered as far as I am concerned. But today, you'll no longer encounter that because it's asynchronous. My agenda for today is that I want you to understand what life insurance can do for you and why you may avoid talking about life insurance and what type of life insurance could be right for you. Okay, the first one. Ano nga ba talaga yung life insurance? Life insurance is all about children's education, mortgage protection, legacy planning, family income, additional retirement income, long-term illness, retirement income for surviving spouse, business protection and continual, and also for what we call this, estate planning. Number 2, why you may avoid talking about life insurance. Okay, bakit ba? Sometimes, I can't afford life insurance. Yan yung laging nasa isip natin. Why do I have to get life insurance at the first place? Gastos yan. So, I don't have the time. I don't have the money because I have lot of expenses. Pero, you may qualify for good policy for you to, for less than the cost of your daily cup of coffee. Ano ba ibig sabihin nito? Pwede kang magkaroon ng life insurance na mura lang sa mababang halaga na hindi ka gagastos na mahal. Number 2, I'm covered through my employer. Yan lagi yung nasa utak natin. For example, sooner or later, you are already employed in a company. Okay? Kadalasan sa kanila, meron ng insurance. Okay? Ang iniisip nila, if ever na kayo ay cover na ng pag-ibig ng SSS, it is already enough for me. Okay? Yan yung mga nasa isip natin. This one is enough for me. That's why I don't have to look for another insurance plan. Pero you are very, very wrong. Why? Because employer is 2 times has annual salary. Pero we are recommended at least 10 times annual income for us to save money. And policy ends if you leave your job. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? Whenever we resign or we leave our duties and responsibility in a certain company, nag-i-stop na rin yung ating insurance. Okay? Next thing, I have 401,000 in Social Security to fund for my retirement. I think it is enough already. So, when you have your life insurance, you can provide tax advantage and also your retirement savings. So, example, yung mga SSS sa GSIS, pag matagal kayo sa service, you have your retirement. Kapag hindi, syempre, kung hanggang saan lang yung years ng service mo, hanggang doon lang yung pwedeng bayaran sa'yo ng insurance. Next, I don't have children. Ito yung mga single pa, no? Why do I have to get insurance plan? I don't have children. Wala naman akong pwedeng pag-imbesan. Pero mali ka dyan. Because there are other who could suffer from your loss. Ano bang ibig sabihin na ito? Pag nawala ka sa mundo, pwedeng mag-suffer yung parents mo. Ay, wala na yung anak ko. Sino na tutulong sa amin? Okay? Number 2, yung spouse mo. Okay? Kahit wala kayong anak, parang may spouse ka, kawawa naman siya. Halimbawa, ikaw ay lalaki. Paano kung wala siyang trabaho? O, diba? Number 3 is yung mga kapatid mo. Next, I'm strong and healthy. The best policy to get a policy is when you're healthy and young. Okay? Huwag mong isipin na strong ka and healthy ka, I don't have to get a policy anymore. Bata pa ako eh. Paano kapag nagkasakit ka? The first thing na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo ay yung policy mo. Okay, next. I'll get to it eventually. When you're planning for ano protects you and your loved ones and in their future. So, ang ibig sabihin, kapag nandyan na, saka mo palang malalaman yung kahalagahan ng isang bagay. Okay? So, this is what life insurance. Life insurance is all about insurance for child education, for legacy planning, for mortgage protection, di ba? For family income replacement, for long-term disease, business protection, estate planning, retirement income, and retirement benefit. Number 3, what type of life insurance could be right for you? Ano nga ba yung right para sa'yo? Meron tayong term versus permanent. Okay. Umpisa natin yung term. Term is a life insurance. So, what are the following benefits of term? It's expensive. Good choice if you want temporary coverage, flexibility to convert policy to permanent policy. At ito yung mga considerations niya. First, no cash value. Pangalawa, renewal premium can be expensive. Yan yung term. Kasi nga, short term lang siya. And then for number 3, we have extending or converting policy that may require a certain underwriting. Pag sinabi rin natin term life insurance, this could be a good option if you have limited budget, if you have your family with young children, have outstanding debt like mortgage or medical bill, or existing life insurance. Okay, next, we have permanent life insurance. Pag sinabi natin permanent life insurance, this is an insurance that cover whole life, universal life, index universal life, and variable universal life. Okay, so these are the following 4 coverage of permanent life insurance. Okay, so permanent life insurance also has cash value accumulation. It also has protection through value policy, tax deferred, and access policy with tax-free withdrawals and policy loans. In permanent life insurance, we are covered with our whole life. Like the benefit, like lifetime debt coverage benefit. We have fixed interest rate, cash value growth and access. Kumbaga, yung pera na inulog natin, kumikita rin yun. We also have considerations like typical, most expensive, and non-adjustable premiums per face amount. Next, we have the universal life, like lifetime benefit coverage. So, these are the following benefits. The most flexible. We also have interest and cash value growth. For the consideration, may be more expensive than term insurance. Option is confusing. Interest rate may be lower than the other investment. So, pag sinabi naman natin index universal life, we have lifetime debt coverage benefits. We have flexible premiums. Also have cash value growth and downside market protections. For the consideration, we have policies. And we also have earning potential in lower than variable and universal life insurance. Next, we have variable universal life. Okay, so what is this variable universal life? One of the benefit for this is lifetime debt benefit coverage. Also have flexible premiums. You have cash value growth, downside market protections. And then, what is the consideration of this? We have investment expenses, may be higher than elsewhere. Your policy is at risk if your investment lose money. And then, the higher premiums may be required to keep policy in force. So, we have permanent life insurance that could be a good option for you if you want. if good for your budget sooner or later. No? If you need your coverage for the last a lifetime, or you want both death benefit for potential tax advantage or cash value growth, or if you wish to access your policy cash for estate planning and wealth transfer for retirement planning, you may do so. And if you need solution for planning such as business continuation and key protection is a good option also. So, how much life insurance do I need? Okay, so these are the following questions. Ilan nga ba yung kailangan natin? Ang sagot dyan is kung gaano lang kadami yung budget mo at yung kaya ng budget mo. For example, you are earning 100,000 a month, no? Pwede mong i-save sa insurance mo yung at least 0.5% of your salary. Sabi nga, what type is the best type for me? Okay, the best type for you is yung, kung ikaw ay bata pa, is yung term, okay? Kung marami kang binabayaran, term ka lang muna, yung 10 years, 15 years, ganyan. How much will the premium cost? Okay, depende yan sa insurance company na sasalihan nyo o pag-iinvestan ninyo. Okay, life changes that could affect your protection. First is yung marriage, yung new job, yung childbirth, caring of parents, yung pag-purchase ng real estate, or when you start your business, or when you got divorced. So, these are the chat part. Okay, so that was it. So, when you think of your future, guys, think of an option that may last longer for your ultimate goal. Okay, thank you, and that's all.